Hello, kids. For reading today, Monday, September 14th, we have a Lexia assignment. So, the reason is you have kids dance outreach during the time that you normally have Lexia. So, I want everybody to go into Lexia. And the way that you get there is you go to your Clever page. And if it's not saved into your favorites, all you have to do is click on the little heart to make sure that it goes into your favorites. But you're looking for this icon here, the Lexia Core 5 icon. So you're going to go in and do the next assignment that they have available to you. I want to show you when I go into Lexia, I use this icon because it's the teacher icon where I get to see what everybody's doing in Lexia. And right here, you'll see total minutes, and it's a new week. So everybody's got 0 minutes. It has the target listed as 40 minutes, but I think that the target should be closer to 90 minutes. I think that everyone should get at least 3 30-minute sessions per week on Lexia. And I'm going to have to adjust that to make sure that the target shows what it's supposed to show. But the Lexia assignment today is to go in and do the next assignment that they have for you or the next activity that they have for you on Lexia. And that's because your normal Lexia time is blocked today by KDO. So do your best and enjoy working on what's next for you in Lexia.